1. Cleanse and moisturize your skin regularly. A gentle cleanser and moisturizer twice a day can help keep your skin looking young and healthy. Wear sunscreen. Apply sunscreen with an SPF of 30 or higher daily to protect your skin from sun damage. Eat a balanced diet. Eating a diet rich in antioxidants, like fruits and vegetables, can help keep your skin looking youthful. Get plenty of sleep. Getting enough sleep helps to keep your skin looking vibrant and healthy. Avoid smoking. Smoking can damage your skin, leading to premature aging. Exercise regularly. Exercise helps to keep your skin looking firm and toned. Use facial masks. Facial masks help to hydrate and nourish your skin, keeping it glowing. Drink plenty of water. Keeping your skin hydrated is key to maintaining youthful, glowing skin. Use anti-aging products. Anti-aging products like retinol and vitamin C can help to reduce wrinkles and keep your skin looking young. Take care of yourself. Small things like reducing stress and getting regular facials can make all the difference in keeping your skin looking healthy and youthful.